Everyone, this is Mr. J. Hello. This is our advanced video for Monday, December the 16th, 2024. It's Monday, so we talk about world news. We're talking about something happening in the U.S., New Jersey. If you look at our AI picture, you can see drones, and it looks like they're very big. So let's get into our word list. Drones, mysterious, aliens, reports, investigating. I put the word list today into a more compact form, so hopefully that's not causing you problems. Officials, dangerous, evidence, experts, government, tests, airplanes, groups, planet, and authorities. Sound interesting? I think the news is debatable. I don't know. Bad, debatable, we'll see. In New Jersey, that's a place in the U.S., large drones have been flying at night since mid-November, and no one knows where they're coming from. There have been 1,000 reports about these mysterious drones. 1,000, wow. They're very big, up to 6 feet wide, and often fly in groups. That's a lot bigger than your regular drones. Some people think the drones might be aliens, while others think they're just part of a secret government tests. The FBI and other officials are investigating to find out what is happening. So far, they have not found any evidence that the drones are dangerous or from another planet. Even though it is exciting to think about outer space, experts say the drones could just be misidentified airplanes. The authorities are working hard to solve the mystery and make sure everyone is safe. Okay, so where have mysterious drones been seen? What do some people think the drones might be from? How big are the drones? Who is investigating the drones? And what do experts think the drones might be? Okay, those are our questions for today. Today's word of the day, stocking. This week I'm going to try to do Christmas-related words. Okay, so stocking. Looking at this, can you guess what the second meaning is of stocking? No ideas? Okay. Someone keeps on trying to call me. I'm sorry. I see up there. I'm always, doing videos at this time. So if you are trying to call me, please don't do it between 2 and 2:30 Korean time. Thank you. All right, common meaning or Christmas meaning anyways. We'll call that the first meaning, stocking. I guess in Korean they just call it a Christmas sock, right? The second meaning, the one that we got to focus on, is the act of keeping something available or supplying goods like a store or shelves. Okay, and here's the Korean for that. We can just go with this first one. You can ignore the second one there. All right, and then if we go down, the pronunciation isn't too hard. There's two syllables, all right? It's the same exact pronunciation as the phonics. Nothing to worry about there. Stock and ing. You can practice if you want. Let's see. Ing, and then stock. Stocking. I want you to write down this for the pronunciation. Stock. Okay, but this should be in capitals because it's emphasized. So this is what you should write down. Stocking. Okay, and some example sentences. The children hung their stockings by the fireplace on Christmas Eve, and the workers spent the day stocking shelves at the grocery store. Stocking. Okay, all right, and let's go over to our weather. I got a lot of things open today. Sorry about that. Normally I try to see what's the coldest place on the mainland right now when we're looking at it, and it looks like it's Suwon, which is here. Don't need to write that down. But of course it's going to be warmer here in Tongyang. Look, it's almost 10 here in Tongyang right now, so definitely warmer. It's partly cloudy today and tomorrow. Today has a high of 9 and a low of 1. Tomorrow is a high of 10 and a low of 2. So we talked about the weather, stocking, and drones, mysterious drones in the U.S. I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.